Let's play rock, paper, scissors. Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. It's a tie. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, it's a tie again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I won! Hi everybody, I'm Juhi. Isn't it fun to play the game rock, paper, scissors against your friends? Well, it is famous worldwide. Why don't we have fun coding it on our computers too? Let's code together. That you go to the website makecode.microbit.org and then you click on new project. So we're just going to give that project a name and just do it for short, RDS. Create. So, when you shake your hand for a rock, paper, scissors game, like for example, me against you, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. So, I'm just shaking my hand. So for that, we take the input on shake. Then we create a variable, and our variable, it's gonna be called hand. So set hand to that one and pick random. Well, we take 1, 2, 3 because we have a rock, a scissor, and a paper, and those are 3. So we just pick random from what we know. So that's what we're telling to do the method. And then you go to the logic section. And then you go to the logic section again, and you take that one. 0 is equal to 0, but to the variable section, remember the variable we made, hand. We put it there like that. And if hand is equal to 1, then you go to the basic blocks, go to show LEDs, show rock. For a rock, I'm just gonna fill in the middle squares. So if hand is equal to 1, then show LEDs rock. Then you click on the plus, that's gonna give you an else, and another one, else if. So else if, once again the logic, if hand is, I always make that mistake. If hand is equal to 2, because we already got that 1, which is going to be a rock. If hand is equal to 2, then show LEDs on the basic. Show LEDs paper. So we're just gonna outline the whole 25 matrix, like 5 by 5 matrix. And that's gonna be our paper. And you already have an else because the 2 options are already done. The 2 options out of 3 options are already done. So that's why you get a third option, which is, of course, scissors. So show basic, show LEDs. That's what I think the scissors look like. And there you go, that's your puppet. Now let's check if it works. So I'm gonna be ready with my hand. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. It's a tie. Once again, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Haha, I won. And there you go. That's your rock, paper, scissors, Microbit. Bye.